Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of achieving financial freedom? Well, we have some good news for you. With just a little bit of effort, you can unlock $40,000 a year in passive income. That's right, our proven steps will help you turn your financial dreams into a reality. Step 1 is to assess your current financial situation. How much debt do you have? How much do you spend each month? By understanding your finances, you can create a plan to achieve your goals. Step 2 is to create a budget and stick to it. We know it can be tough to stick to a budget, but with a little discipline, you can do it. Cut down on unnecessary expenses and prioritize your spending. Step 3 is to start investing. Investing in stocks, mutual funds, or real estate can help you earn passive income. However, make sure you do your research and make informed decisions. Finally, step 4 is to diversify your income streams. You don't want to rely on just one source of passive income. Explore different options like rental income, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. With these 4 steps, you can unlock $40,000 a year in passive income. Imagine what you could do with that extra money. Pay off debt, save for retirement, or even take that dream vacation. What are you waiting for? Start taking control of your finances today. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and advice.